Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 237. This was the 24th of April 2023, a Monday. So I did books and I did IM Academy, but I spent most of the day, today was the first day on a platform for insurance. So on this platform, and I've got to make very good use of it because I'm paying a lot of money for this platform. So I spent the day shadowing another agent. So the day following this day, the first day, I would be on the phones. But so that first day I was doing shadowing, and it's a long day. It was from 9 to 6, a long time on the phones, listening and learning a lot about different situations, and absorbing as much as I possibly can, so that I'm able to do this on subsequent days. So yeah, it was reprioritizing a lot of different things. This is a big thing. I'm committed to seeing it through, committed to doing the very best that I can. Do I know it will work? I don't. I mean, I'm optimistic, but then I'm also a realist as well. So that was basically it for day 237. Look forward to telling you all more about this as the days unfold. But so I'm grateful for the people who operate the platform for showing me, and I'm grateful for our customers who are, the senior citizens who, we're presenting our insurance services to. So very grateful for everybody. And if you have any comments or questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.